I'm Captain Starlight, and welcome to another Fun with Captain Starlight Unbox and Play. Today, we're unboxing the Mattel Barbie Cutie Reveal. Before we get revealing, remember to like and subscribe. Have you done it yet? Good job. The Barbie Cutie Reveal dolls offer the cutest unboxing experience with 10 surprises, including a plush animal friend, a bunny, puppy, or panda, 4 surprise bags, and a posable Barbie doll. Let's get revealing. It's a really cute little box, actually. I really like it. And this little pops off and you can look through. Hello. You get a set of glasses. It's pretty cool. All right, what have we got in here? Something exciting. Oh. A pink mystery pack. Ooh, a blue mystery pack. Oh, here she comes. Oh, look. Hello, cute little bunny. Oh, how cute is that? And we've still got more. Oh, a pink and a purple pack. What do you reckon? What should we reveal first? All right, this blue pack. Let's have a little look. Whoop. Open it up. What have we got? Oh, a very sparkly skirt. Look at that. What do you reckon? Oh, I love it. Oh, great. That's good. The purple pack. Let's have a look. Whoop. Oh, we got a puppy. Look at that cute little puppy. What's our next thing going to be? The big pink pack. Well, there feels like there's, I'm guessing carrots. I don't know why. We've got a headband or a nose plug. Hello. We've got a pair of purple boots. What? Last pack. Oh, what do you reckon it could be? Oh, I'm going to say it's carrots. I'm a little bit rabbit obsessed today. Let's have a look. Oh, it's a comb. Oh, that's better. Here we go. We've got all the accessories ready to go. Let's do our reveal. Bum, ba, da, ba, ba, bum, bum. Here we go. Oh, she looks gorgeous. Hello, how are you? Oh, it's lovely to meet you. It's lovely to meet you too. I love the purple hair. Very on brand. Oh, thank you so much. Hey, Barbie, would you like to put on your new silver skirt? Oh, yes, please. Oh, and it's a jacket as well. And it's reversible, so we can turn it inside out. It's got love hearts all over it. Very stylish. All right, and we'll put your jacket on. Let's put some boots on. Ready? Bop. The comb works wonders on moustaches and hair. Hey, before we get ready to go to the disco, yes, I think you should meet your very new puppy. Oh my gosh, she's so beautiful. I know, isn't she fun? Hey, she's also got a little bit of magic. Would you like to see some magic? Oh yes, please. On this comb, there's a special little sponge. And what I'm going to do is I've got some water here. I'm going to dip it into there. Going to rub the water onto the puppy. Her eyes are open! Magic! How fun was that? Now don't forget to like and subscribe on this video, and you can see all the other unboxing videos that we've got in the link below. Oh, I've been Captain Starlight, and thank you for watching another Fun with Captain Starlight Unbox and Play. See you later. Let's go to the disco. Oh yeah! Woo!